Okay, as we continue through these study lessons that she gave you, this is the next section, Economic Growth Part 2.
Offers a spectacular example of economic growth. From 1966 to 1990, GDP per capita in South Korea grew at an outstanding 7% per year. In contrast, GDP per capita in the United States grew at only 2% per year over the same time period. This dramatic increase in GDP per capita allowed South Korea to transform itself from an agrarian economy to one of the most advanced countries in the world. How did South Korea achieve this spectacular level of economic growth? The answer lies in the topic of this pre-lecture, the sources of economic growth. We will begin by discussing how institutions provide the foundation for growth. Specifically, countries with strong financial, legal, and government institutions are better able to use their factors of production to enhance productivity.
Financial, government, and legal. Okay, it's all the bureaucracy.
The main factors of production that contribute to economic growth in a country include land, labor, physical capital, and technological advancement. We'll discuss how these factors interact with one another in what economists call a production function, which describes the way inputs are transformed into output. We will then discuss the role of diminishing returns to inputs and the catch-up effect. We'll conclude by answering our initial question: how did South Korea achieve its spectacular level of economic growth?
Okay, so we'll tackle this mathematics in small pieces.